choose the correct answer. The amplitude of y equals -4 sine 3 pi over 2x is, so when we have y equals some number outside, sine or cosine, sine, and some value x, when we have this function, it could be a cosine omega x or a sine omega x. In our case, we have a sine omega x. Then absolute value of a is the amplitude. So a is like here -4. Okay, that's -4, and absolute value of -4 is just 4. So amplitude is always positive number. Okay, same function, we need to find the period, and that is given by this formula 2 pi over omega. Okay, amplitude is absolute value of a and period is 2 pi over omega. So in this question, omega is here 3 pi over 2, so the period is 2 pi over omega. Omega is 3 pi over 2. Okay, let's simplify this complex fraction. Keep, change this original division, change, flip. So 2 pi times flip 2 over 3 pi. 5 pi cancel. 2 times 2, 4 over 3, which is here. Okay. In third question, we need to find the quadrant in which the angle lies, where cosine is positive but tangent is negative. So all students take calculus. So cosine is positive, that means all positive here and here, so either first or fourth. Now we want to have tangent negative, so here all positive, so we want to have tangent positive negative, that means this is the case. Okay, here cosine is positive and tangent is negative, so quadrant 4. In next question, we are given tangent theta is 1/2. Now we need to find the exact value of this expression, tangent theta plus 2 pi plus tangent theta plus pi plus cotangent theta. Okay, we know that tangent has a period of pi, so tangent pi plus theta is same as tangent theta. Okay, when we have when we add pi, like say theta, any angle plus pi, that will be same as tangent theta. Or if we have, let's say, tangent pi plus another pi, maybe 2 pi, same thing, 3 pi, same thing, 4 pi, same thing. So tangent theta plus 2 pi, this is same as tangent theta, so 1/2. So this is 1/2 plus theta plus pi, same thing as tangent theta, 1/2 plus cotangent theta. Cotangent is in fact reciprocal of tangent, and tangent is 1/2, so the reciprocal is just 2. So 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, so 4 more true false questions. The domain of y equals tangent x is the set of all real numbers. No, that's false. If you graph tangent, then you get vertical asymptotes. So this is pi over 2, negative pi over 2. So there are infinitely many vertical asymptotes, so it's not the set of all real numbers. Okay, it's false. Okay, because tangent pi over 2 is infinity, it's undefined. So pi over 2 is not in the domain, so it's not the set of all real numbers. The cosine function is an even function. Cosine of negative theta is same as cosine of theta. That's true. And we also know that sine of negative theta is negative sine theta. That's called odd function. And tangent of negative theta is negative of tangent theta. Tangent is an odd function, but cosine is an even function. That's true. The graph of the sine function has infinitely many x-intercepts. So if we graph the sine function, let's graph here, maybe Okay, sine function using calculator, you can see it's keep going forever on both sides. So this is 1 x-intercept 2 3 4, and it keeps going, so there will be infinitely many true. Okay, and the last, the y-intercept of the cosine function is 0 1. So if we graph cosine function, that passes from 1, so we got infinitely many x-intercepts because it keeps going, but there is only one y-intercept, which is 0 1. So the y-intercept of the cosine function is 0 1. That's true.